Welcome to an integration class with Green API. In fact, an integration that allows you to send messages on WhatsApp directly from our system in Base 44. So after I made a free user and connected to the Green API, I have the main screen of the instance sets. Here I can basically create a user and get different API keys. So I'm just clicking here. You can see that I have a developer in a free subscription and I have an unlimited number of messages, but only for 3 different numbers that I can use. I have the business, which is $12 a month, with full of options, lots of numbers, to receive messages. And you can actually do anything. So here I'll show an example of a user account that I already have, of $12, simply because in developer I no longer have numbers that I can use. Now I can see that I'm not authorized here because my number isn't connected, so I'm going in here. I can make a link with a QR code, make a link with the phone number, or literally take it out. It's less relevant. We'll do link with QR code. So I do get QR. At the same time, on WhatsApp I go to the settings, to link devices, to link a device, and then I have the option to scan the QR code on the screen from my mobile device and it will make the login. That's my phone number, and here you can see all my chats, which are currently hidden. And now the profile is active. So basically the integration and function I want to create is as soon as I go here to interviews and I schedule an interview, I want that as soon as I set up the interview and put the details, then basically as soon as I click on. Why doesn't it give me yet? What else am I missing here? As soon as I click on Schedule Interview, a WhatsApp message will be sent to the candidate, to the phone shown here, with the details of the interview. So now in order to do that, what I need is to go back to the Green API. I'm going to the APIs tab here. I have here send message, and now I'm copying the request here in Python and forwarding it to the chat with the following instructions. Integrate with the Green API. I'm pasting it here with what we just copied, the code. And a very important step, I show him the secrets as well, which appears to me in instance. Do you see? The fact that it is authorized now. I'm not going to show you my API token, but I'm going to take the ID instance, paste it into it. And I also paste the API token instance to it. And I send it to it. And now it has created this integration. So it really wasn't enough for it the way I presented it, that I gave it the keys. It asked me to do it in a more orderly manner. It really does set secrets. I fed it to it here again. I do submit and generate the integration. And now what is actually happening is that the fields are formed. You can see the dashboard in secrets. In general, I also recommend simply coming here in advance, making an add secret and entering it yourself, and not letting it ask and do it. This is the most correct method. That's it, so it created the function, and as soon as I click here on Schedule Interview, a message will be sent to the interviewee. Of course, I can tell it exactly what fields I want to be in the message and what its structure will be.